carry term external wall insulation systems.
Hi guys, today we starting new project, 2-story detached house. Like you can see, there is no proper roof overhang with this house. We need to install special profiles to make roof overhang for the 4-inch insulation board. I'm gonna to show you how I do it. We insulated this house with the main board 4-inch, on the button 50mm XPS, around the door and windows 20mm XPS. And I would like to show you how we transfer the house with external insulation systems.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna to show you how I bend profile for roof overhang. So I just do this end, how I do this end. Now it's like this. So first bend will be 2 inches and the second will be 6 inch. Okay, so that's the first bend. Okay, and that's the second bend. Okay guys, so we be bending the profile on the top of the chimney, and I gonna to show you how I cutting this and how I bend it. Always make sure the lip of the profile going under the fascia or under the soffit is very important. The profile have 3 meter length, so we divided by half, so it's 150. So my chimney is 124 centimeter. So we divided 124,
62.
so 62 and the 62 from the middle. So when we be bending on the chimney the profile, we not cut the middle, these lines, so we just cut over here. Okay, and angle, how much we need to bend, we go upstairs and then we have a look. So we bend it one side, and we bend it other side. Okay, and now we can mark the cuts. Yeah, so how we can cut. I don't know, you can see there is a little cut on the edges, so we just put a lip, what you have it here, a lip inside this cut over here. I don't know, you can see, and then we use adhesive foam to stick the profile to the board, and then we use long fixing to screw the profile to this wall. We seal, and then we put EPDM tape around this space. Okay, so I just don't know, you can see this lip we put inside. Okay, so we put inside to this space, so we stick the profile, and then we be screwing around here, and then we do the EPDM taping to seal everything completely. I'm gonna to show you in the next movie how I do the taping. Guys, when you install the profiles need to be moved this way a little bit, okay, to the wall, because when the water will be coming, the water will be going this way. If you going too much this way, the water will be coming on the wall, so always remember a little bit up, you know, and be okay. When you install the profile like this, you must do always with the slope, so like this, like windowsills, and this is very important as well. So that must be slope, so the water will be going very easy. This space will seal with the EPDM tape as well, and the lip is behind the fascia. So we screw the profile as well to the fascia. And when you're cutting the polystyrene, you cut as well with the slope.